Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to mute specific words from anyone on the X app, so you can keep your feed exactly how you want it. Whether you're trying to avoid spoilers, hide unwanted topics, or just keep your timeline cleaner, these steps will help you take full control. First, open the X app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will open up a side menu with several options to choose from. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll find all the controls for your account, privacy, and safety preferences. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can manage how your account interacts with others, as well as tools to filter your experience. From here, select Muted and Block. This is where X keeps all the options related to muting accounts, notifications, and certain words or phrases. Then, tap on Muted Words. This will show you any words you've already muted, or it may be empty if you haven't set any yet. To add a new word or phrase, tap the Add icon in the bottom corner. Type in the word or words you'd like to mute. You can add common phrases, slang, or anything you don't want appearing in your feed or notifications. Once you've typed in the word, look for the option that says, From Anyone. This ensures that the muted words will be hidden no matter who posts them, whether you follow them or not. After that, simply save your changes. From now on, any post containing those muted words will no longer appear in your timeline from anyone at all. And that's it. You've successfully muted unwanted words on the X app. This feature is a great way to personalize your feed, reduce distractions, and keep your experience focused on the content you actually want to see. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more quick tutorials just like this one.